In this video, we will see how to fix Chrome.exe application error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing Chrome.exe error application error, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various major and minor issues of your computer. So first restart your system and check whether your Chrome.exe application error resolved or not. If not, open your Chrome browser, and here from the top right corner, click on three vertical dot and choose help and choose about Chrome, and let the Chrome update your browser, updating Chrome. So this is the second workaround, and you must update your Google Chrome browser. Click on relaunch, and after that Chrome is up to date, and check whether your Chrome.exe application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again open, right click on your Chrome desktop shortcuts and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, choose compatibility and make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode, and also make the check against option run this program as an administrator. So run Google Chrome as administrator mode to fix this issue and check whether your Chrome.exe application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update. From the right side, go to Update History. Scroll down and choose Uninstall Updates. Here, your recently Windows Update installed in your system available. Go to your latest installed updates and choose Uninstall. And after that, check whether your Chrome.exe application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to privacy and security section. Click on privacy and security. Thereafter, go to right side and choose Windows security. Here, click on virus and threat protection and click on scan options. Here you will find 4 scan options: quick scan, full scan, customized scan, and Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan. So choose full scan and finally click on scan now and let the window complete the scanning process. After that, your Chrome.exe application error definitely will resolve.